From natural ecology to industrial development, we keep pace with the times and carry forward our heritage, protecting the future through innovation. With more than 3 decades of dedication to large-scale equipment manufacturing, Desen has grown into a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D and engineering, manufacturing, and project operation. Driven by our philosophy of wholehearted dedication and the pursuit of excellence, we focus on delivering tailored solutions to meet our clients' needs and earn their trust through professionalism and integrity. Supported by strong manufacturing capabilities, we have built a highly skilled professional team dedicated to delivering first-class solutions for our clients. Desen's washing system covers 5 core application areas. The soil washing system is built on core physical and chemical washing processes, integrates bioremediation technologies, and efficiently remediates soils contaminated with heavy metals such as lead, arsenic, and hexavalent chromium, as well as complex organic pollutants. The thermal washing systems for oil-contaminated soils, designed to address pollution caused by leaks during oil extraction, transportation, and processing, achieving deep soil purification through thermal washing. The material washing and classifying system is widely used in stone cleaning, tailings beneficiation, and non-metallic mineral pretreatment, enhancing resource utilization through high-efficiency technologies. The multi-type slurry treatment system, suitable for municipal pipeline cleaning, piling and tunneling operations, and culvert dredging, enabling efficient slurry reduction and resource recovery. The mobile washing plant, specially developed for space-limited or emergency remediation scenarios, offering rapid deployment, efficient treatment, and convenient mobility. The company stays at the forefront of the industry, establishing long-term strategic partnerships with leading universities and soil research institutes, bringing together top-tier experts. With continuous investment in R&D, the company has successively obtained multiple qualifications, including recognition as a high-tech enterprise and a specialized and innovative enterprise. We hold more than 60 core patents, led the development of the first group standard for soil washing remediation equipment, and actively contributed to multiple industry standards, driving standardized development through technological leadership. Practical experience builds our strength, and reputation shapes our brand. Desen has provided equipment and services to more than 100 remediation companies nationwide, participated in dozens of major remediation projects, and treated over 2 million cubic meters of contaminated soil. From process design and equipment manufacturing to project operation, we have accumulated extensive hands-on experience, refining our core strengths, powering a strong global expansion. With a mature product portfolio and professional services, Desen's equipment has expanded into the UAE, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, and other regions, across the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Central Asia. Our international trade team provides full-cycle support from delivery and installation to commissioning and long-term operation, ensuring efficient and stable execution of overseas projects. With unwavering purpose, we advance toward a far-reaching future. Desen stands by every customer's trust, grows from China toward the world, and perfects every detail with dedication. Desen takes advancing environmental engineering and improving living environments as its mission, deepens green manufacturing, supports green development, and works together to build a beautiful world.